cute guys here are the Nutrias. They were brought here from colder places for the fur. You see, it's supposed to be very nice to create products from the fur. There is only one problem. This area is warm, very warm. So the very thick fur of the Nutrias in general became not so thick and not so good for products. So some of them got escaped, some of them got released here, and ever since we can see them running around here. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. In my Facebook page, you'll be able to find many more beautiful videos about our lovely Israel. You want to be a part of it? You want to come joining me traveling Israel? Then press like, contact me, and see you in Israel. Bye-bye.